Welcome to Health Kalp. In today's video, we're diving into the world of one of the most nutritious and versatile breakfast options out there, oatmeal. We will explore why adding oatmeal to your diet can have numerous health benefits. Make sure to stick around till the end to learn how this simple meal can improve your health and why it's worth incorporating into your daily routine. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like this video and subscribe to Health Kalp for more health and nutrition tips. What is oatmeal? Oatmeal is made from oats, which are a type of whole grain. There are several different types of oatmeal available, such as rolled oats, steel-cut oats, and instant oats. All these varieties offer unique textures and cooking times, but they share the same health benefits. The simplicity of oatmeal makes it a versatile meal option. You can have it sweet, savory, hot, or cold. Its natural ability to blend with various flavors and toppings, such as fruits, nuts, seeds, and spices, makes it a favorite for many health enthusiasts. Nutritional profile of oatmeal. Oatmeal is packed with essential nutrients, including fiber, proteins, vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants. Oatmeal is rich in soluble fiber called beta-glucan, which has numerous health benefits. Oats contain high-quality proteins, making them a great breakfast option. Oatmeal is a good source of magnesium, phosphorus, zinc, manganese, and iron. Oats have unique antioxidants called avenanthramides that have anti-inflammatory and heart-protective properties. One of the primary reasons to eat oatmeal is its ability to improve heart health. The soluble fiber in oats helps reduce bad cholesterol, or LDL, levels without affecting the good cholesterol, known as HDL. This reduction in LDL cholesterol can significantly lower the risk of heart diseases. Oatmeal also has a low glycemic index, making it a great option for people managing diabetes. The beta-glucan fiber slows down the absorption of sugar, preventing those sharp spikes in blood glucose levels. This can also aid in reducing the risk of developing type 2 diabetes. Eating oatmeal for breakfast can help with weight management too. Its high fiber content keeps you feeling full for longer periods, reducing the need for snacking between meals. Studies have shown that people who eat oatmeal tend to consume fewer calories throughout the day. Oats are known to support a healthy digestive system. The fiber content helps prevent constipation and promotes regular bowel movements. Including oatmeal in your diet can also promote the growth of good bacteria in the gut, which is essential for overall digestive health. Oatmeal is a great source of complex carbohydrates that provide sustained energy throughout the day. It's perfect for athletes or anyone looking to start their day with a boost of energy. The presence of essential nutrients like iron and B vitamins also helps improve stamina and reduce fatigue. And finally, oatmeal is not only beneficial when consumed, but it can also work wonders for your skin when used topically. Due to its anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, oatmeal can soothe irritation, reduce itching, and help manage conditions like eczema and acne. Adding oatmeal to your diet can help maintain a healthy glow from the inside out. How to include oatmeal in your diet. There are many creative ways to include oatmeal in your diet. Classic oatmeal bowl. Cook oats in milk or water and top with fresh fruits, nuts, seeds, or honey. Overnight oats. Soak oats overnight in milk and add ingredients like chia seeds, yogurt, and berries for a grab-and-go breakfast. Oat smoothies. Blend oats with your favorite fruits, milk, and a spoonful of nut butter for a nutritious smoothie. Savory oatmeal. Combine oats with vegetables, spices, and a poached egg for a savory twist. Why choose oatmeal over other breakfast options? Oatmeal stands out among other breakfast choices because it is affordable and readily available, easy to prepare with minimal cooking time, customizable to fit various dietary preferences, including gluten-free and vegan diets, nutritionally balanced with a healthy ratio of macronutrients like proteins, carbs, and fats. Tips for buying and preparing oatmeal. Choose whole oats. Opt for steel-cut or rolled oats over instant varieties for a less processed and more nutritious option. Avoid sugary add-ins. If buying flavored instant oats, watch out for added sugars. Instead, sweeten your oatmeal naturally with fruits or a dash of honey. Store properly. Keep oats in an airtight container to maintain freshness and avoid contamination. Conclusion. Incorporating oatmeal into your diet is an easy and delicious way to reap numerous health benefits, from improving heart health to managing weight and boosting energy levels. Whether you enjoy it for breakfast or as a snack, oatmeal is a versatile and nutrient-dense food that should have a place in your pantry. So start your day right with a warm bowl of oatmeal, and let us know in the comments what your favorite way to enjoy it is. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to Health Kalp for more informative videos on health and nutrition. Stay healthy and keep watching.